science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and we are doing the amazing frog dissection today. So we're gonna go through the external anatomy and the internal anatomy after we cut it open. Watch these cool students go through the process of dissecting our frog.
My hand. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Boy frogs have fat thumbs to squeeze the eggs out of the female.
Frogs have three choices when breathing: through their lining of their mouth, their lungs, or their skin.
You can see right here where the tongue is attached to the front instead of the back.
If you're wondering what the pink is on this frogs, this is the pink latex that shows where the oxygenated blood is. To be able to see the other organs, we're going to need to remove the liver.
We have something crazy in our stomach, so I'm going to cut it open and see what it is. Oh, it's fur.
Wait, open it up.
Oh, what the heck is it?
What is that?
What is
Yeah.
this?
There's bones. Let's dissect
There's
it.
bones.
I think it's a mouse.
It's a beetle.
Oh.
Whoa. What? There was a lot of fur and bones, probably a mouse or some sort of rodent, and a beetle.
The stomach has a really hard muscle that helps stretch up the food.
We cut the mesentery to see the digestive system. This is the stomach, this is the small intestine, and this is the large intestine.
Wow! Science is so amazing! Hope you have a beautiful day! Bye-bye!